Hello everybody from India Uniform 3 Uniform Kilo Echo. Today I just wanted to share with you a quick unboxing of my new multimeter. It's a Brymen BM789. I got it on January 2026 from brymenmeters.com for quite a good price, to be honest, compared to other online shops. So I'm not yet an expert of this multimeter, so this will just be a quick unboxing, not a full review, which I wouldn't be able to do right now. So you can see from here it's a 789. Sorry for the bad camera angle, but I'm just improvising without my tripod. So let's move on. Here is the meter. And let's see what else we get in the box. We get instructions, I guess. Well, it's not in English, maybe. Yes, this one is not in English, this one is in English. Okay, very good. What else? 3 batteries and the probes, I guess. Yes, we got the thermocouple for the thermometer function, and the common probes, which are gold plated. Very nice. And nothing else. The box is empty. Okay, so let's start from the plastic here. Here we go, very nice. Let's peel off the plastic. Very, very good. It seems to also have a good smell. Let me check. Yeah, I can tell you this smells good. If you like the smell of rubber. Let's move on with the probes. Here we go. All right. We also get these things that goes at the top of the probe, but I'm not sure how these are called, so I will just call these things. And this is the probe. It's probably silicone with it's very soft. The cable is very soft. It bends very easily, and yeah, they feel pretty great. All right, and this is for the thermometer. Very good. Okay, so I will need a screwdriver. Okay, I got a screwdriver. Let's see, this one should work. Yes. And the second one. Okay, it's coming off. Here we go. This is the slot for the 3 AAA batteries. Let's install them. All right. Pull it back. Okay, and we can try to turn it on. Very good. It's working. Okay. All right, and that's it for today. As I said, just an unboxing. I'm not ready for a review, and probably I won't ever do a review. There are so many functions that I don't want to cover all of them on video, and there are a lot of other reviews. So bye bye.